Welcome to Nia Imagination. Today I will teach you princess cut reversible halter neck blouse with side opening. First of all, you take two different colors of clothes because I am teaching reversible halter neck blouse, so you can wear it from both sides. Now fold it halfway, like widthwise you require bust divided by 4 plus 1.5 inch, and lengthwise you require total length plus 1 inch. So I require 14, I am taking 15 inches. So from here measure 7 inches. From here measure bust divided by 4. So I require this much. 1.5 inch for margin. See, if your required neck is 6 divided by 2 plus half inch. 3 plus half inch, 3.5 inches. Add 3.5 inches. See, now measure these two lines. Mark them. Here you require waist divided by 4, 1.5 inch for margin. Join these lines. Join them. So these are joined. See, join this. Now this is for armhole. For armhole, this is the line. Measure just 2 points toward the inner side and make a curve for armhole. Now cut this. Now these are back panels for first cloth and the back panel for the second cloth. Now for front panel, keep back panel on this paper and mark all sides, okay, and then keep 1 inch more toward the neck side. From here, see, the required neck is 3. You will take 3 divided by 2, 1.5 for shoulder part, okay, like this, and over here as well you will measure like this, okay. Lengthwise you will measure 3.5 more. I have measured 3.5 from here, 3.5 from here, and join these lines, okay. So this is for shoulder part. For neck part, measure total required neck, like I need lengthwise 6.5 inches, okay, and then from here I will take 3 inch as my required, and then I will measure this. But here you can make the neck design of your choice. You can make this round, or you can make this as sweetheart neck design like this, okay. It is your choice. From top, measure higher part of your bust, like I am measuring its higher part of the bust. From this side, measure bust divided by 12 plus half inches. For me it is, so I am taking it like this. So this is the higher part. From here, this is the higher part of bust, and this. From the bottom, measure 1 inch. Measure 1 inch and mark a straight line. From here, join this dart, and from this bottom take 1.5 inch toward this side and 1.5 inch toward this side, and join these dots. Join this straight over here, and here we made slanted line. Now I am making a princess cut over here. So take half of these shoulders, like this is the shoulders half, and make princess line like a curve. In this manner I have drawn a princess line. Now from here, just give a shape, just 2 points toward the inner side and give a shape to front shoulders. Last point at this side, at the front, measure 1 inch more, like we have already kept 1 inch more, and then make a slanted line like this. This is the extra part toward the front side, okay. Now cut this all. I have cut this all, and from here I have cut this dart point and this princess line. Now you require this part and this part. Now you can mark it as A and B so that you will not forget. Now keep this one part over here. This is the folded side, and in this manner I have these two clothes and I have folded them. Mark all things, but here remember there is princess line and dot point. Here keep half inches more than this. Now cut. Here I kept half inch more. This is the shoulder part. There is no need to keep half inches more. This is the neck part. I have gave this shape. One part is ready. If I open, I can see. Okay, this is the middle part. Now see, for this panel as well, I kept this B panel on it. I have marked all lines, but see, this is the princess line. This is the princess line, and the dark part I will keep half inches more from here. Okay, and now I will cut. Now in total I got these 4 panels. Okay, like this and this. Now take these all panels like this and join this. This is the wrong side of this cloth, and join this with the help of sewing machine after leaving just half inch of margin like this. Again at this place as well, join this princess line like this with the help of sewing machine. Do the same with this colored front panel as well. See, when I join these lines, it will look like this. Now take another panel and keep front side facing each other like this. Okay. Now at bottom leave margin of half inches and join these two with each other. Okay. After doing bottom, stitch this both armholes like this and like this. Now stitch this necklines with each other after leaving just 2 points. Okay, just stitch both of them in this manner after leaving just 2 points all over the end. Stitching these armhole, neckline and bottom, when I unfold it through this side, it will look like this from this side and like this from this side. So you can iron in to take out this crease. Now take back panel and measure its center. Remember, on front side for darts we measured bust divided by 12 plus half inch. Do same here from this side. Measure this. I kept this 3.5 from here and 3.5 from here. At this point, turn this like this. Measure half inches, just half inches. At half inches, make this slanted line till 4 inches. This is the 4-inch point, and make this slanted line. Do the same with this. Turn, measure half inch, add 4 inch, make a slanted line and go to sewing machine and sew this. After stitch, it will look like this. It will look like this. Now keep both panels right side facing each other, and this is the wrong side. Okay. Now first of all, do bottom turning after leaving half inch of margin like front panel, and sew armholes like this and sew armholes like this, leaving just 2 points. Now take wrong side of back panel. This is wrong side of back panel, see, and take right side of front panel. Okay, this is the right side of front panel. Take both same color panel toward your side. Okay, now take out this like this and insert this front panel into this back panel in this manner. Front panel is in this shell of back panel. Okay, now keep all these panels aligned like this and measure your required waist, and I require this much. From this part till the required bust, I will sew this part with the help of sewing machine. See, I have stitched this, you can see from here. Now I will unturn it. Now after unturning, it will look like this from one side. See, it will look like this, and from the other side also it will look like this. Now take these two strings, okay, and join these seam lines with each other, and from wrong side stitch, just keeping margin of 2 points over here. Okay, just keeping margin of just 2 points. Align this front panel on this back panel on this manner. Okay, take this from the back side like this, join these two same colors in this manner and mark with the help of thread and needle. You can insert pins. After doing that, just stitch it with the help of sewing machine. After stitching that, you will have this color and this color with you. Just keep them all this extra cloth toward the inner side, okay, upper side, and take this, keep this half inches toward the inner side, okay, turn this half inch toward inner side and stitch all over here. Start from here and stitch all, okay, so that closing it, okay, and then your neck will be attached with it, okay, and your halter neck will be ready. Then come to the side part, turn these all sides half inches toward the inner shell. This is the shell, turn half inches toward inside, like this it is turned, and stitch on it. Again at this part, turn half inches toward the inner side, like this, and stitch on it. Now for side turnings you have three options. First of all, you can apply these stitch buttons like this. High quality stitch button is recommended because it can just open, okay, so it will be better if you apply high quality stitch buttons with machine like this. Second option is you can apply hook eyes on one side like this, okay, and hook on one side like this to be inserted in this. Third option, I am teaching this velcro. Just measure the bottom, it means waist, and if it is half inch more in my case, so I will turn it like this. So take a velcro, this is a velcro, apply one side on one color in this manner, stitch with the help of sewing machine from four sides. Now the second part of this apply on the other color, okay, this part, then stitch with the help of sewing machine. In this manner, if you stitch this, it will come on this. Now see, from one side it's looking like this, from other side it's looking like this. Keep watching Nia Imagination. Subscribe to learn stitching in easiest way. Like, share and provide your feedbacks. Thank you.